Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this face mask that will help your skin look softer, smoother and brighter. For the ingredients, you will need a tablespoon of almond powder, half a tablespoon of nutmeg powder, a pinch of turmeric and milk. Now, if you're a dry skin type, you can use milk, and if you have oily skin, you can use rose water as a mixing medium. I have mixed all the ingredients and made it into a thick paste like this. So I'm going to put my hair back and start applying the mask on my face. Now almonds are rich in vitamin E and they help in reducing the signs of aging and adds glow to your skin and makes it softer. Nutmeg is useful to heal the acne scars and sunspots and helps in reducing the dead skin and reduces dullness from your face. It gently cleanses your skin and also moisturizes it. Turmeric calms your skin and helps prevent acne. It also brightens your skin instantly and gives it a glow. You can use this mask every day or thrice a week to see results. I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. Make sure to apply a thick layer of the mask and don't go too close to your eyes. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. I'm going to keep this mask on my face for around 10 to 15 minutes until it dries, and then I'm going to scrub it off with warm water. So this is how my face looks after I've washed off the mask. It looks very glowy and bright and it feels very soft. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you liked this video and do try this mask out and let me know in the comment section below. Bye.